Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the grammar portion in which I was teaching you the chapter number 3, that is subject and predicate. In this chapter I have told you the meaning and definition of subject and predicate. I have told you what is subject. Subject is a part of sentence. There are two parts of sentence I have told you. First one is subject and another one is predicate. What is subject? Subject denotes the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay? And what is predicate? Predicate is also a part of sentence which tells something about the subject. Dear students, I have also completed the exercise first, second, and today we will discuss I have also completed exercise third. Today we will discuss the exercise number 4, which is given at the page number 15. Dear students, just see, open the page number 15. In this question, in the exercise number 4, it is given column A gives the list of subject and column B the list of predicate. Match the subject with the predicate. Dear student, this is the match the column. Okay, you have to match the subject that is given in the column A with the column B where given the predicate. Here we had to select a subject with the predicate. Just see here, dear student, there are two columns in our question. Column A, okay, column A, and there is column B. There is column B. There are two columns, column A and column B. In the column number A, it is given subject, and in the column number B, it is given predicate. And we have to match column A with the column B with the suitable predicate. Okay, we have to match the subject with the suitable predicate given in the column number B. Okay, students? So, just open the book, we will discuss it. You see here, there are 10 questions. There are 10 questions. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 questions are there. And there is also A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, student? There are 10 subjects and 10 predicates are given in your book in the exercise number 4. And now we have to match. There, student, just see the first one is Madhu. Here, Madhu. The first, in the column number A, the first subject is given Madhu. Madhu is a subject because it denotes the name of a person, and we have to match with the suitable predicate given in the column B. So what would be the suitable predicate? Madhu is a good girl. That is given in the E. Madhu is a good girl. Okay, so match. Question number 1, match with the given predicate, that is E. Okay, so we will match it with E. First one you will match with E. Okay, what is E? Is a good girl. Okay, Madhu is a good girl. Okay, student, just match it first with the help of a scale and pencil in your book. Your first question you will match with the exercise number E. Okay, it is the question number 4. Student, this is question number 4 given at the page number 15 in the chapter number 3. Okay, just see. First one we will match with the E that is given here is a good girl. Okay students, I hope you all have understood and completed. And question second, Indian farmer. The question second is given, the subject is given Indian farmers, and we will match it with the hard working people, that is given I. Okay, so we will match the second question with the option number I, that is given are hard working people. So the sentence will be Indian farmers, that is subject. Second, the question number second, it is given subject Indian farmers. We will match that second subject, okay, with the predicate given in the option number I. Okay student, just match it. Indian farmers are hard working. Just match it. Just match the question number second with the option number I. And now come to the question number third. Poonam. Poonam. The third subject is given Poonam. Poonam is wearing a pretty blue dress. It is given in the first option. Okay. Third one we will match with the first option. Okay. What is third? Given Poonam. We will match Poonam with the option number A, that is given is wearing a pretty blue dress. So sentence will be Poonam is wearing a pretty blue dress. Okay student, just match it. Poonam with the predicate is wearing a pretty blue dress. Okay student, just match. The question number third we will match with the option number A. Just do it. Now question number 4. Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji subject is given in the question number 4, and we will match Gandhi ji with the option number J, was a great leader. Gandhi ji was a great leader. So we will match here. The question number 4 we will match with the option number J, last one. Okay, question number 4 we will match with the option number J, that is last. Okay, was a great leader. So sentence will be Gandhi ji was a great leader. Okay students, question number 4 Gandhi ji you will match with the option number J, that is was a great leader. Okay, just match it. Question number 4 with the option number J. And now the next question, the gardener. The fifth subject is given gardener. Okay, we will match it with the predicate is plucking the flower. Is plucking the flower. Question number 5 you will match with the option number C. Okay, just see here. Question number 5, the gardener is plucking the flower. The gardener is plucking the flower. Okay student, just do it. The gardener is plucking the flower. Question number 5 you will match with the option number C. Question number 5 you will match with the option number C. Okay student, just do it. Next question, question number 6. My watch. My watch is a subject, and we will match it with the option number H, that is given keeps good time. Keeps good time. Question number 6 we will match here the option number H. What is question number 6? My watch. And what is option number H? Keeps good time. So sentence will be my watch keeps good time. Okay. Question number 6 you will match with the option number H. Okay student, just do it. And the next question, question number 7. S.C. Bose, it means Subhash Chandra Bose. You will match with the option number B, organized an army. Subhash Chandra Bose organized an army. Option number B. Just match it. Okay. Question number 7. SC boss you will match with the option number B, organized and army. Okay. Question number 8. The teacher taught the boy. The teacher taught the boys. Question number 8 we will match with the option number D. Okay, just see here. The teacher taught the boys. Mother. Your mother. The mother loves and care for me. The question number 9 we will match with the option number F. Question number 9 we will match with the option number F. What is question number 9? The mother. The mother loves and care for me. He plays football. Question number 10 we will match with the option number G. Okay students, just match it. Question number he we will match with the option number G. He plays football. Okay. So students, just complete it in your book with the help of scale and pencil. If you have any kind of confusion you can ask. Okay, just see here once again I am telling you. Question number first we will match with the option number E. Question number second we will match with the option number I. Question number 3 we will match with the option number A. Question number 4 we will match with the option number J. Question number 5 we will match with the option number C. Question number 6 we will match with the option number H. Question number 7 we will match with the option number B. Question number 8 we will match with the option number D. Question number 9 we will match with the option number F. Question number 10 we will match with the option number G. Okay students, you match it carefully. Okay, if you have any kind of problem you can ask. Okay, now we will discuss the other exercises given in your book. That is optional question. Now just see the optional question. Exercise first. Optional question, there are two optional questions, first and second. Okay, here in the first question you have to choose the subject, and in the another question you have to choose the predicate. Okay students, so first just complete it. I am going to erase it, and after that we will do the optional question. Okay dear students, all these exercises we will fill only in our book, no need to write in our copy. Just see the next. Exercise number first, that is optional question. Okay, which is given at the page number 15 also. So we will see it. The question is tick the most appropriate option from the following. Choosing subject. Here we have to choose, we have to select the subject only. And I have told you what is subject. It is a part of sentence that denotes the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay, so first question is given, the nurse is giving medicine to the patient. What is subject in this sentence? The nurse, because it denotes the name of a person. It is the name of a person. Just see here. So option is given here first, the nurse is giving medicine to the patient. None of these. So first option is correct. In the question number first, just see. In the question number first, exercise number first, in the question number first, the first option. What is first option? The nurse. N-U-R-S-E. The nurse is the correct option. So we will tick in front of the nurse, even in the box. Okay, question number second. The cleaner is dusting the house. The cleaner is dusting the house. Here, what is subject? The cleaner, because it denotes the name of a person. So here, first option is the house, that is wrong. The cleaner, that is correct. Option number B. Sorry. Yes. Question number second. Option number B is correct. The cleaner. The cleaner. CLEANER. The cleaner is the correct option. In front of that you will take. Question number 3. The boy is reading a book. The boy is reading a book. In this sentence, what is subject? The boy. Okay. In this sentence, what is subject? The boy. Why? Because it denotes the name of a person. Okay. It is a boy. So yeah, the boy is subject. And now we will see the option. Option is given. First, a book. That is wrong. Is reading. That is wrong. Third is the boy. Yes, that is correct. So option number C. In the question number 3, option number C, the boy is the correct option. The boy. Okay, we will tick on that. Question number 4. The tiger is sleeping. It denotes the name of an animal, the tiger. So what is subject here in this sentence? The tiger. Just here, the tiger is sleeping. Option is given, is sleeping? No. The tiger is? No. Only the tiger. We will not include it. Tiger is sleeping? No, that is wrong. Question option number D, the tiger? Yes, that is the option number D is correct. Question number 4, option number D is the correct option, the tiger. Okay, the tiger is the correct option. We will tick on that. Question number 4, the fourth option, that is option number D, is the correct option. The next question, question number 5, the teacher is teaching. What is subject here? The teacher. What is subject here? The teacher. Option is given. First one is the teacher. Second is teaching. Option number C, teacher is. Option number D, the is teaching. That is wrong. Okay. So what would be the correct answer? Option number A, the teacher. Question number 5. Option number A, the teacher is the correct option. We will tick on that. Question number 6. Cow gives us milk. Here the cow denotes the name of an animal. So here cow is an animal. So what would be the subject? Cow. Option we will see, gives us. No, that is wrong. Us milk, that is wrong. Cow, yes. Cow is the subject in this sentence. So we will tick on that. Option number D, cow milk, that is also wrong. So option number C is the correct option. Question number 6, option number C, cow is the correct option. So we will tick on that. Okay students, just see here. Question number 6, option number C, cow is the correct option. So we will tick on that. Okay students, just do it. And after that you will turn the page. Turn the page, page number 16. Now we will see the question number 7. Just see. The lion is in the den. The lion denotes the name of an animal. Therefore, what would be the subject? The lion. Now we will see the option. The lion is included here. So that is wrong. The den, that is wrong. In the den, that is also wrong. The option number D is the lion. Yes, that is the subject. So question number 7, option number D, the lion is the correct option. We will tick on that. Question number 8, birds are flying. Birds are flying. What would be the correct subject? Birds. Now we will see the option. Option number A, birds. Yes, that is correct. Birds are, no, that is false. Option number C, flying, that is also false. Birds flying, that is also false. So what would be the correct option? Birds. In the question number 8, option number A, that is birds. BIRDS. Birds is the correct option. Just tick on it. Okay students, just do it. So first question the nurse. Option number first, nurse is the correct. Question number 2, option number B, the cleaner is correct. Question number 3, option number C, the boy is correct. Question number 4, the option number D, the tiger is correct. Question number 5, the option number A, the teacher is correct. Okay, question number 6, the option number C, cow is correct. Question number 7, the option number D, the lion correct. Question number 8, option number A, birds is the correct option. Okay students, so in this way I have also completed the optional question exercise first. Now we will do the optional question exercise second. Okay, so first complete it, then after we will do it the next. Okay students, just see, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have understand. You can do also by your own. Okay, that is very simple. Now we will see the second exercise which is given at the page number 16. Just see here, page number 16, option was exercise number 2, and here you have to choose. Just see, here we have to choose the predicate. In the exercise number 1, we had to select the subject, but in this question we have to select the predicate. And just see the first question, elephant are roaming in the forest. Here the question option is given, elephants are roaming in the forest. Elephant denotes the name of an animal, therefore that is subject. So what would be the correct option? What would be the predict? Are roaming in the forest. Are roaming in the forest. So now we will see the option. First option is given, are roaming in the forest. Yes, that is the correct option. Second option is given, the elephant. That the elephant is subject. We have to select the predicate. So that is wrong. Elephants are. That is also wrong. In the forest. That is also wrong. So first question number first, and option number first. What is the option number first? Are roaming in the forest. Are roaming in the forest. That is the correct option. Okay, we will take here. Question number first, option number A, are roaming in the forest is the correct option. Now see the question number 2. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi is the name of a person, so that is subject. Mahatma Gandhi is subject here. Is the father of nation is predicate. Now we will see the option. Mahatma Gandhi, no, that is wrong. Mahatma Gandhi is, that is wrong. Is the father of nation, that is correct option. So option number C. What is predicate here in this sentence? Mahatma Gandhi is a father of nation. Is the father of the nation. Is the father. The students, F will be capital. It is already given. Is the father of the nation. Of the nation. 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 That option is the correct option. In the question number 2, option number C is the correct option. Is the father of the nation. We will tick on that. Question number 3. Just see the question number 3, students. Question number 3 is what? The farmer is plowing in the field. The farmer denotes the name of a person. So the farmer is subject here, but we have to select the predicate. So what would be the predicate? Is plowing the field. Now we will see the option. The farmer, that is wrong. Is plowing the field? Yes, that is the correct option. So option number B. In the question number 3, option number B, is plowing the field. Is plowing, P-L-O-U-G-H, in the field. F-I-E-L-D. Okay, just see. That is the correct option. Okay, in the question number 3, option number B, is plowing in the field is the correct option. Now question number 4. Rahul Dravid is a good batsman. Rahul Dravid is the name of a person, is the name of a cricketer. So Rahul Dravid is subject in this sentence. But we have to select the predicate here. So what would be the predicate? Is a good batsman. Now we will see the option Rahul Dravid. No, that is wrong. Good batsman, that is also wrong. Dravid is a, that is also wrong. Is a good batsman, that is the correct option. So option number 4. Option number 4 is what? Is a good batsman. Is a good batsman. Batsman. Okay, that is the correct option. We will take on that. Is a good batsman. Question number 5. The girl is wearing the red frock. The girl is wearing the red frock. What is the girl is here? A person denotes a person. Therefore, the girl is subject. The girl, the word the girl is subject, and is wearing a red frock is predicate. So we will see the option is wearing a red frock. The first option is the correct. Okay, is wearing a red frock. F-R-O-C-K. Is wearing a red frock. Option number first is the correct option. Okay, option number A is the correct option. Question number 5, option number A is wearing a red frock is the correct option. Now see the question number 6. The boys are playing football. The boys denotes the person. So the boys are, the boys, the word the boys is subject here, and are playing football is predicate. So we will see the option are playing, that is wrong. The boys are, that is wrong. Boys football, that is wrong. Are playing football, that is the correct option. Option number D. So here option number D is the correct option. Are playing football. Are playing football. Football is the correct option. Okay students, now we will see here what is the correct option. In the question number first, option number A, are roaming in the forest is the correct option. In the question number second, option number C, is the father of the nation is the correct option. Question number 3, option number B, is plowing in the field is the correct option. Question number 4, D, is a good batsman is the correct option. Question number 5, option number A, is wearing a red frock is the correct option. Question number 6, option number D, are playing football is the correct option. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the exercises, all exercises given in the chapter number 3, that is subject and predicate. Okay students, in the next class we will discuss the another topic. Okay, so that's all for today. You complete all the exercises given in the chapter 3 and learn also. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you.